Good day, Philippines. This is Mike Padua once again, returning to our tropical weather analysis, and this is for today, Monday through Wednesday, August 3 to 5, 2020, and this is brought to you by Typhoon2000.com, the Philippines' first website on tropical cyclones. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GraphSat, beginning today, Monday, until Tuesday, tomorrow. You could see that the two tropical systems is already living has decreasing its threat to our country. And first we discussed Sinlaco. This was once the low pressure area that passed over Luzon, and it intensified into a tropical storm, and right now it's just a dissipating area of low pressure from a tropical depression. That's Sinlaco, and it made landfall last night over these areas of northern Vietnam. And we have a monsoon trough here, interconnected with another tropical system. Over the weekend, this is Dindo, the local name, based from Pag-asa, and it intensified into a tropical storm, severe tropical storm. That's why it has been given a international name. Okay, and it's now Hagupit. And this morning, this system moved out of the Philippine area of responsibility, and it's now passing and has just passed close to Taipei on its way towards eastern China, with a possible passage very near Shanghai within the next 24 to 36 hours. And most likely by tomorrow morning or early morning, it will make landfall over eastern China. So this is Hagupit, now a typhoon with winds of 120 kph, moving so fast at 30 kph in the general direction of the northwest. Okay, and just like what I said a while ago, it will make landfall over eastern China within the next 24 hours. Because of this system right here, there's only a slight enhancement of the Habagat, southwest monsoon, as you can see here, affecting the western coastal areas of Ilocos region, as well as the Batanes and Babuyan Cubao Islands. So expect some occasional or on and off rainfall across these areas. Elsewhere across the Philippine Islands will remain fair weather, okay, except for some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms in some areas. Just like here over Mindanao and portions of central and eastern Visayas, there will be some showers and thunderstorms brought about by a trough of another LPA which has developed overnight. This is 93W. Right now it's less than 35%, a low chance of developing into a tropical cyclone, but its trough will bring lots of rain across Mindanao within the next 24 hours. So watch out for lightning strikes and possible flash floods, landslides when we have a severe thunderstorm occurring over your respective areas. Okay, so that's the latest from the Philippine side. And as we look outside, we have an intertropical convergence zone. No, there's still no tropical cyclones in sight. Okay, this one here, 93W, based on the computer models, it will dissipate and weaken as it traverses Mindanao within the next 24 hours. Okay, so let's move now towards our fast animation. You can see here the large annular eye of Typhoon Hagupit with local name Dindo, as it prepares to make landfall over eastern China, while Sinlaco is no longer there. We have here the enhancement of the slight southwest monsoon affecting the western seaboards of Ilocos region, as well as the Batanes and Babuyan Cubao Islands. So take all necessary precautions. So that's the typhoon right now, and the LPA here to the southeast of Mindanao has begun to disintegrate or dissipate, and we have the intertropical convergence zone over the far area of the Western Pacific. Now here's the latest global model tracks from different models, okay, on tracking Typhoon Hagupit. It shows here that most of the majority of the computer models shows the system making landfall over eastern China, just south of Shanghai. And as we look at our zoom in satellite animation, so this is the infrared one because it's now nighttime. So you can see the thunderstorm here is just slight, while there's a strong thunderstorm to the south of Mindanao. So far, this is the evening, so expect some decreasing thunderstorm activity throughout the night. And as we look at our 2-day rain, wind, and pressure forecast, so tomorrow afternoon, you can see here that Typhoon Hagupit has just made landfall and is fast dissipating. And we still have here the southwest monsoon. But here in the Philippines, back to normal with localized thunderstorms in the afternoon, evening, high temperatures during the midday. And here, along Mindanao, there will be lots of rain and thunderstorms brought about by the trough of LPA 93W. That's for tomorrow, Wednesday. And as we move, okay, on Wednesday afternoon, you can clearly see here that the Philippine Islands were already back to normal, but the remnants of that low pressure area will bring lots of rainfall over Mindanao and portions of the Visayas. Okay, while Luzon will be under the influence of convective air masses, which will bring some thunderstorms, rain showers in the afternoon or evening in most parts of Luzon and also throughout the archipelago. And so far, that's the latest from our Mr. Typhoon YouTube channel. And we will be returning again on Wednesday to give you more weather information. From Typhoon2000.com, the Philippines' first website on tropical cyclone, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always, be #WeatherWiser, #TyphoonWiser, and thank you for watching our YouTube channel.